I don't really have to remind you anymore, but just sit in an open posture, because openness is really how we intentionally invite the indwelling presence of God. As you're sitting there, perhaps if you feel comfortable with that, you can even close your eyes and just become aware of the chair upon which you're sitting. That little indent that says, welcome, welcome here to this morning. Just imagine how it's creating just that sense of your home, a sense of belonging. Become aware of all the sounds around you. Perhaps there are some birds, domestic activity, even street noise. And invite all of that into that fabric that you wrap around yourself, in a sense of connectedness, in a sense of participating in your world. Breathing deeply. And just become aware of that rhythm, how your chest rises and falls as you breathe in and out. And allow that rhythm to soothe you, to calm you. Let us now ground ourselves, become grounded in the love of God, by becoming aware of our feet on the ground, resting on the ground. Surrender to that rest on the ground. Feel your feet actually getting heavier as you just allow them to rest on the ground. And as you do, allow that to remind you, being rooted in the love of God. Breathing deeply again. With every in-breath, experience an openness. With every out-breath, perhaps you might experience an emptying out. Become aware of the chair upon which you're sitting again. As the chair welcomes you here and confirms your rootedness, your grounding. Feel the connection between feet on the floor, grounded. You sitting on the chair, grounded. And allow that create a calmness in the very core of your being. Breathe in deeply again. And as you're opening up with every in-breath, open up to possibility, to alternative stories, to unique outcomes. Breathe in deeply. And as you open up with every in-breath, open up to alternative stories, to God's alternative story with you. As you breathe out, experiencing out with every out-breath, a letting go of stories that no longer serve you. With the openness of every in-breath, open up even to the alternative stories God may be intending for you. With every out-breath, experience an emptying out those stories which no longer serve you anymore. And allow that to become a rhythm in which you can rest. And now I'd like to invite you, let us sit in each other's silence for a minute or two. Just share this rhythm of openness to God's alternative story and emptying out stories which no longer serve us. Let us sit in each other's silence for the next 2 minutes. Breathe in deeply again. As you do, allow the cleanness of this meditation to just become a body memory. Breathe in deeply. Just rest in the newness of what you've just experienced. Thank you.